Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. How is going on your study? I think all of you are studying very sincerely as you are the students of JSC. Students, I'm Marufa Akter, Shaheed Uttam, Lieutenant Anwar Girls College, and this class is for you, that is JSC students. Today I will make you learn a very interesting chapter, and after enjoying the picture you will understand what class today. Let's enjoy the pictures. Very funny pictures. One person's leg you are getting, but his or her head isn't seen here. That is under the water. Another picture. This is another one, like the first one. Many people are swimming. Friends, can you guess what's the topic today? Yes, today's topic is the Ama divers of Japan. This is Unit 7, Lesson 2 from your English for today. After completing the lesson, you will be able to know about Pearl Wester. You will explain the collection of Pearl Wester, describe the life and work of Ama divers, know the attitude of young people towards diving. Before going to the text, you must need to know keywords and other unknown words. That's why I have given here keywords from the textbook. Rare, uncommon, or occasional. Next one, descent, go down or come down. Hazardous, dangerous or risky. Rely, trust or believe. Some other words I have mentioned for your better understanding the text. Coast, bank or land next to or near the sea. Capacity, power or efficiency. You pronounce like efficiency, but no, it will be efficiency. Remember this. Instinct, natural or indigenous. Rely on, trust or believe. Rely or rely on, same meaning. Here I have mentioned some important parts from the text. Very carefully listen to me. Before 20th century, pearls were obtained from Pearl Wester. Pearls were found in lake, river or sea. Free divers were often to descend to the depth of the sea 100 feet in one breath. In Asia, pearls were found at a depth of 5 to 7 feet. Students, here mentionable thing here, they were often to descend to the depth of the sea 100 feet in one breath. That's not possible for you or for us, for any ordinary person, but they are capable of this. Next, in some fishing villages along the coast of Japan, there are amazing groups of women called Ama divers. Ama means women of the sea or sea women. Here, very carefully noticed women, W-O-M-E-N. But when you will get M-A-N, its pronunciation will be omen. But this is women. They are still independent divers. Here you can say the Ama divers, that means Ama, they are women of the sea. Most of the Ama divers are women and they earn their livelihood by their own. They are not dependent on others. They are independent divers. They make their living by diving. They can dive to the depth of the sea up to 25 meters. And from the previous slide you have got they are independent. Yes, that's why they are earning or they earn their livelihood by their own. For their living, they are not dependent on others. On the other hand, they can dive to the depth of the sea up to 25 meters. And most important thing here, They don't use any oxygen tanks or other breathing equipments. They rely on their own skills and breathing techniques. And they rely on and they are capable of this. They don't need to use any oxygen tanks or other breathing equipments. What we need to go to the sea or go to water, but they don't use oxygen tanks or other breathing equipments, and they are capable from the very early time of their life. Emma pushed themselves to the bottom of the sea and back to the surface again. They can hold breath for up to 2 minutes. Another important thing here, they can hold breath for up to 2 minutes. And it's not possible for an ordinary person to hold their breath up to 2 minutes. But they are capable of this. They are skilled with this. Nowadays, some of the divers are going to the city for other jobs. And at present, some of the divers are not interested with this job and they are interested with other new job. That's why they have started to go to city for searching another job. But on the other hand, we're getting there are some who continue to dive even at their 70s, and some other persons also you will get in this chapter. They are interested with the job still now and they are continuing their job and they are diving even at their 70s. Here getting the picture, an ancient Amma diver. Amma divers of the past, wasters and collecting wasters. From the picture you have understood how can be. Students, I think you have understood the text and you will read the text again and again for your better understanding, for your clear perception. And from the text you get fill in the blank, question answer and MCQ also. But for fill in the blank you won't get the text. But for this you have to read the text very attentively with the meaning. Let's start. Along the coastal villages in Japan, Amma divers are still found. They are women who dive dash to the depth of the sea for their living. They do so without taking any safety measures, just relying on their own skills and breathing dash. The most dash qualities of these divers are careful watching, lunge capacity, and dash huntership. The new generation women are not as dash in taking this profession as the older ones. Students, first of all, you will try to fill this blank in your own way. Next time you'll match the answer. Okay, I'm helping now to write this answer. First one, they are women who dive independently to the depth of the sea for their living. They do so without taking any safety measures, just relying on their own skills and breathing techniques. The most outstanding qualities of these divers are careful watching, lungs capacity, and instinctive huntership. Instinctive, you have got this from the word meaning. The new generation women are not as interested in taking this profession as the older ones. Okay, let's match the answer. A. Independently. B. Techniques. C. Outstanding. D. Instinctive. E. Interested. Next one, homework. Question answer. In the question paper, you will get 4 questions. That's why I have mentioned here 4 questions. But don't think these questions you will get in the exam. Just you can get other questions from the text. And that's why you have to understand the text. You have to read the text again. And one thing you have to remember, you have to write the answer according to the patient's instruction, according to the tense of the question. A number, what do you mean by Emma? B, from where did the Emma divers collect pearl wester? You have to write the place from where Emma divers collect wester, pearl wester. C number, what are the qualities of Emma divers? You have to write the qualities of the divers. D number, why are the young people going to the city for livelihood? You have to write the reason of the young people's going to the city for livelihood. Students, you will get like this, but you have to study more. And another thing I would like to say, you have to learn all the unknown words, what you don't know from the text, and you will be attentive. On the other hand, don't misuse your mobile. You will just don't waste your time. Some of you are wasting time just to see the class, but when you want to enjoy the class, only that time you will take the mobile. Otherwise, don't waste your time. And thank you very much, student, and you remember this, and you will do this homework, and you will show your subject teachers. And if you have any confusion, you can ask your subject teacher, and they will make it clear, inshallah. And thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.